everyone? It's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is February 29, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today is the last day of the month of February, and I hope everyone collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pip out of the market. It was a beautiful month. I think we all collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips simply by respecting our triple arrow rules. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification below. So remember, today I'm gonna be doing a pre-week analysis, which is gonna be on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and AUDUSD. The full analysis is gonna be dropped tomorrow, Sunday, which is gonna be March 1st, 2020, making the very first week of the March, and it's gonna be very, very amazing month. Remember, the whole week is from March 2nd to the 6th of March 2020. So let's get to work. Make sure also, I wanted to make sure everybody know about our Forex disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. It give me that emotion, guys, because I believe in the product. The triple arrow is the best system in the world. I don't care what other people may say. Even whatever system you are using, go ahead and compare it with my analysis, and you're gonna see how accurate the triple arrow is, guys. It's a beast. And I want to remind everyone, please download my FX hours on your mobile. It's a very, very unique app where it's just gonna tell you about the timing of the London when the market open. It's gonna tell you about the New York time. It's gonna tell you about the Tokyo. It's gonna tell you about the Sydney, even though it's gonna tell you about the Frankfurt timing when it collapsed with the all the market. All right, so make sure you guys download this app on your mobile, and then you will thank me later. Okay, and also, guys, whatever I'm gonna be telling you today is subject to change. So based on the news that are gonna be released this coming week, please check my FX hours and check your news on that app. It's another great one, and I think everyone has to pay attention and listen to this, guys. This is free information, and I want everyone to get it. This is not very hard to do, guys. All you gotta do is follow the instruction. If you don't do that, then we have a problem. All right, let's go ahead and start. Today, we're going to start with EURUSD. Remember, this pre-week analysis is for March 2nd to the 6th. And it's going to be on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and AUDUSD. If you want to see the full analysis that is going to be dropped tomorrow, Sunday, March 1st, then you have to subscribe to our channel, and you can share with all the social media. Do whatever you want to do. All right, so remember, this analysis is brought to you by Triple Arrow System, the best system in the world. If you are new, the link is below. All you got to do is check the link, and we are gonna give you $20 cash back if you sign up today. All right, let's get to work. Today on EURUSD, look at what I have here. Pay attention who's in charge. Triple arrow is telling us the market is doing what? What do you think it's doing? Is bullish or bearish? Look at what the triple arrow is telling you. Triple arrow is telling you EURUSD dollar is doing a bullish market. Hopefully you agree with me. What I'm expecting to see on the week of March 2nd to the 6th is I'm expecting to see a small pullback, retracing our mid 38 Fibonacci line, and then it's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line, and then the market is gonna drop down. All right, remember, guys, in here we're looking for a, what do you think we are looking here, guys? What do you think it's doing? I'm looking for a potential sell, but it's just doing a triple arrow correction. All right. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If you are confused, guys, make sure you guys check my YouTube channel. I always put the description. Actually, let me bring it here. Hold on. Here it is. Pay attention. Let me delete this drawing first so I can show you. And make sure you subscribe so you can have tomorrow analysis. It's gonna be a beast. It's gonna be a lot of retracement, in my opinion. All right, look at here, guys. I just look it up. This is my channel, right? Go to Team with Irvin and look at here, guys. This is what I'm telling you. If you want to connect with me, here's my private Telegram group, guys. Just click on that link and it's gonna connect you with me directly. Make sure you guys click on that one. Here's the broker that I use. Click on that link. A lot of you are sending me private messages. Irvin, what broker should I use? There it is. Use that one. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. So here's the triple arrow system link, which is gonna give you $20 cash back, and the private Telegram is in there. And here's my public Telegram group as well. Click on the link, subscribe. Sometimes I drop signals in there. All right. So make sure you are on the you get the full of the freebies here, because you're getting free stuff. All this to you is completely free. All you gotta do is follow direction. All right, let's move forward. So we already gave you the analysis for the week for EURUSD. The next pair that I have for you is the GBPUSD. What I'm expecting to see this coming week is a formation of a triple arrow right where the market is sitting. Right here. Here is the triple arrow formation that I'm expecting to see. So what is my analysis for March 2nd to the 6th? What do you think it's gonna do? What I'm expecting to see is a oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. I always do that, guys. All right, look at here. What I'm expecting to see is a retracement coming in and retest R23 Fibonacci line. Then it's gonna do a small pullback, retest in the 23 mid-50 Fibonacci line. Then the market is gonna take off. We are coming back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and where we're gonna review this analysis with you live, so you can ask questions. And if you have questions about all the pairs that you are on it, we are gonna be more than welcome to analyze that pair so you can understand. So here, using the triple arrow is super easy, guys. That's why the title is named Super Easy Forex, because the system is simple. All you gotta do is be open-minded, get yourself educated, ask questions, and that's it. It's not that hard, guys. Check on the comment below on my description. There's plenty of information in there. A lot. You will be amazed on what you will get out of it. All right. So hopefully this pair makes sense. If you have any question, please drop it below. I'm here with you so I can answer any of your questions. Okay. And we are here to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips, guys. It's not that hard. But remember, I'm super excited. And I want to apologize, guys. Last time, I think I got too excited and I was cursing. I should have not ever done that. But anyway, you know, that happened when you get excited. I really enjoy doing this, guys. I really enjoy making this video for you guys, getting yourself educated, and hopefully you make the best decision on this coming week. All right, pay attention what I have here, guys. This is on AUD/USD. Look at the time frames that I use. Always pay attention. Always pay attention. Here I'm using 4 hours. So what I'm expecting to see here, to be honest, I'm expecting to see a formation of the triple arrow, guys. And then what is the market gonna do for the week of March 2nd to the 6th? Well, what I'm expecting to see is a market correction coming in, retesting R23 towards our 38 Fibonacci line, and then it's gonna do a small correction, and then the market is gonna take off as a bullish market. We're gonna come back on Wednesday at what time? You got it, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you are on it. And let me give you also the other pairs that I'm gonna be analyzing tomorrow, March 1st. So this is gonna be on gold. We're gonna be analyzing USD JPY, GBP JPY, NCD USD, CHF JPY, GBP NCD, AUD Canadian, GBP Canadian, Euro NCD, AUD CHF. Did I have this twice? No. And then we're gonna be analyzing USD CHF as well. Did I have this one twice too? Nope, I don't. But remember, if you want to see the full analysis guide, all you have to do is subscribe, comment below, and I will be more than welcome to help you. If you have any doubt on how to fix anything, please send me a message. The private Telegram is below, and please do that. That will help you a lot. Okay, if I cannot answer your question, I will make sure that I bring it up on Wednesday on a live session. Okay, so well, I think that's all I have. So if you guys have any question, please make sure you let me know, so we will come back and answer this with you. All right, take care guys, see you later, bye hasta la vista.